Om Shanti class. In yesterday class, we learned mean of an ungrouped data and we did direct method. Today, we are going to do mean of the group data, and first method what we will do will be the assume mean method. That, or we call it as shortcut method also. So here we need to learn the formula. Now x bar is equals to assume mean plus summation fi di upon summation fi. And what is di here? Di is xi minus, that is capital A, that is capital A represent assume mean. Now here xi is equals to the class mark or mid value. And what is the way of finding it out? It is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. You have done this in class 9, but I'll revise with you. Now, what is the difference between a group and an ungrouped data? Just see here, you can see the class interval is from 0 to 10. So this is called a group data. There was a variable, and here it's a class interval is there from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, right? And in between these classes, you make the tally marks, then you find the frequency. Now here it means 0 to 10. How many numbers are between 0 to 10? There are 7. So we have to find the mid value of the class interval. So we say mid value or class mark. Now how will you find xi here? 0 plus 10. We will write 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So what it is? It is 5. Now 10 plus 20 divided by 2, it will be 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, it will be 50 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. And 40 plus 50 divided by 2. Clear to you? Now, here just see in the class interval, which is on the left hand side are all lower limit, which is on the right hand side all are your upper limits there. And xi class marks are upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Now from here, I have to take an assume mean. How many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll take the middle one. Is it clear to you? I can take anything assume value. Well, I'll take the middle one. What is the value of A here? 25. Now, what is 5 minus 25? It is minus 20. 15 minus 25, minus 10. 25 minus 25, 0. 35 minus 25, it is equals to 10. 45 minus 25, 20. Now I'll find fi into di. So 7 into 20 is minus 140. 10 into 10 is minus 100. 15 multiplied by 0 is 0. 8 into 10, 80. 10 into 20 is 200. Now just see, the plus total is coming to 280 and the negative total is coming to minus 240. When I'll add, it is coming to how much? It is coming to 40. So what is my summation FIDI? It is coming to 40. Now I'll apply the formula. So x bar is equals to assume mean plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Now what is A? I have told you the value of A is 25. And what is FIDI? It is 40. And what is my summation FI? That is 50. Right? So it will be how much? 25 plus 0.8. So mean is coming to 25.08. Which method is it? This is a shortcut method or assume mean method. Now same question I'll do with the step deviation method also. Right? Now, in step deviation method, first you just see to the formula here. That x bar is equals to assume mean plus summation fi ui upon sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. What is ui here? Ui here is xi minus a upon h. Now what is h here? H here is class interval. What is H? H is class interval. And what is class interval? It is upper limit minus the lower limit. Is it clear to you, class? Now here what is H? 10 minus 0. The value of H here is 10. Same xi, so you know, we have already found in the first question. It will be 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, right? And di, it is ui beta, ui. So it will be how much? Xi, assume mean you know is 25 and h here is 10. And assume mean again you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 value. So I'll take 25 as an assume mean. So 5 minus 25 minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 10 will be minus 2. Same here. 15 minus 25 minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 10 will be minus 1. 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 25 is 10 and 10 divided by 10 is 1. 45 minus 25, 20. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So 5 2s are, it is fi ui. So 5 2s are minus 10 because 5 into minus 2. 7 into 2 is minus 14 because it is fi into ui. 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. 15 into 0 is 0. 8 into 1 is 8. And 10 into 2 is 20. Now how much it is coming to? Minus 24. And this is coming to 28. So 28 minus 24. 28 minus 24 is plus 4. Now let's apply the formula. So it is x bar equals to assume mean plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. Now assume mean is 25, fi ui is 4, sigma fi is 50 and h is 10. So you know 10, 0 and 0 will cancel and it will be 25 plus 0.8. The answer is 25.08. Whichever method we apply, whether we apply direct method, shortcut method or step deviation method, answer in each case will be same. See, once you have find the class marks, you know the frequency, you can apply the direct method also. Is it clear to you, class? Okay? Okay. Enough for today. Tomorrow I'll tell you how to find the unknown values of the frequency. Thank you, class.